What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it here to Urbandale Speedway, a huge car event today. Huge car event. There's actually a lot of freaking cars here and a lot of people and a lot of you guys, which is pretty crazy. I brought some stickers today. Where they at, David? We got David with me.
Stickers, so guys.
We got some stickers. I posted on Instagram. I said, I'm gonna be at this car meet today. If anyone finds me, I'll give you a free sticker. So let's see how many people show up. I already gave one away. And I feel like, I don't know, whoever watched my story is gonna try to grab one. So hopefully everyone gets one. And we'll see if we give them all away today. Look, the homie's already asking, bro. I got you. Oh no, everyone's gonna want stickers, bro. Oh, it's the same one? Yeah, no way.
Yeah, Rouge just signed it.
That's crazy. Guys, look, I signed this like, I don't even know how many years, bro. That is crazy. Oh, at Fairfax?
That was like years ago.
Yeah, that's a long time ago. All right, I'll sign it again. These guys are real ones, bro. They've been supporting forever. I see them at every car meet. Damn, guys, look at it. Red GTR. That shit is beautiful. Oh, I missed the red, dude. Why did I take it off?
Oh, the wings fit too.
GTR parked right next to us. This red one. And it's really freaking sick, too.
Oh, no, man.
Look, that's the same wing I have. Those wheels are a lot. They're like $5 grand, I think. But look at the wing. Guys, I have this exact spoiler, but I took it off. I know a lot of people want me to throw it back on. I don't know. I still have it.
That red is sick.
That red is clean, bro. It's paint, too. Which one do you guys like better, guys? The red or the unicorn wrap? Both really clean. I don't know. I can't pick. Look at the homie Kicks with the BMW. I have not seen it, bro. What's up, Doug? This shit's hard. I haven't even seen it. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That shit is beautiful, bro.
It's just hard as fuck.
That shit is sick. Damn. We got the fast GTR out here. What is this, bro? That shit will be fun to drive. Guys, there's a drag strip. There's a stunt yard where they're gonna do some donuts probably and drifting. And there's a two-step battle tonight, so that's just gonna be crazy. But we just made it as hella cars out here. And hella people, bro. I haven't even got to look at the cars yet because I've been saying what's up to a lot of people. Let's go look at some cool cars. There's a lot. Oh, I had to go look at this. Oh, David's F80 just passed by. I had to look at this SVJ. This thing is sick. Bro, it's so loud here. There's music. There's motorcycles revving it. This is insane. Oh, beautiful SVJ. What the heck? That shit scared me. This thing is sick. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, sorry.
That is gold. That's yours? Oh my god, bro, that shit is loud. I've never heard a bike that loud before. Who's about to blow his bike? God damn, that shit was loud, bro. This thing looks pretty sick, guys. It's a 240, and they have this wide body kit. It's the Rocket Bunny one, and they have like a muscle car front end. It's pretty sick, bro. Damn, look at the motor in this thing too. That is beautiful, bro. Look at that. All titanium. Big ass turbo, bro. Look at all the titanium. That is a big ass turbo. You see the body kit? Bro, it looks like a muscle car in the front, but the back's like the 240. Do you notice that?
Well, I'll
so sick.
I was trying to figure out what the fuck it was.
I know, it's crazy, but yeah, it's an S14. See? 1.6 S14. But they have that body kit with the muscle car.
I was like, what the fuck is that?
David was tripping. We got a bunch of GTRs here. All the GTR squad. Oh shit, my wheels. Bro, I haven't seen another GTR with my wheels in a while. Oh my god. I need that setup, bro. These are the same wheels that are on my GTR. Damn, that shit is not stock, bro. Why does the mine look like that, bro?
Wait.
Why does the mine look like that? My pockets don't look like that either, bro. Man, that shit is sick. R32. Sick. RB26. Man, there's a lot of cars here, guys. A lot. Oh my god. Who remembers when I brought the E46 in here? I was scared, bro. I just found my car.
That's good in blue. You don't like it in black.
I like it in black, bro.
Black
It looks like a Batmobile. They're sheepy race too, look at. This must be fast, dude. This shit is crazy, bro. Look at the tire on it. And then polished turbos. Wow, bro, that shit is beautiful. That is sick, bro.
What about that sticker?
Damn, I want one so bad. I don't know.
Think it's fast?
I don't think it's twin turbo yet, but it's sick. I already have the tire ready to go twin turbo. Bro, there's actually a lot of GTRs here. Like a lot, bro. This has to be like the 11, 12, I don't know. This one's sick. Look at the tires on it. You guys know I like the meaty tire setup. Looks really good. Damn, he's a red interior too. Sick. You guys think this one's fast? You got little tires in the front, big ass tire in the back, carbon fiber doors. I have to talk loud, guys, because there's music and I don't want to get copyrighted. I hate car shows with music, bro. It sucks. Look at this tire. That shit is crazy. It looks really fast, bro. I'd be scared to race this car. And another GTR. This one's super clean, bro. Damn, that shit's nice. You got the carbon wing. I might have to put the wing back on, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It looks really good. I still have it. It's just sitting in my garage. There's so many GTRs. Origins. Hi guys, how are you?
What's up?
Bro, are you guys tired? I seen you guys were up all night.
Yes, motherfucker. So you ready for the, what are you doing? Two-stepping or burning?
I don't know. Blowing my engine,
Oh,
maybe.
do the limbo.
Look at all these GTRs, there's more. This one's sick. Another GTR, and I think this is a Nismo right here. You guys know Nismos are super expensive right now. You're looking at about 150 right there. Oh my God, what is this, bro? R34? The hood exit exhaust? God damn, that shit sounds crazy, bro. That is sick. Super sick, bro. It sounds like my E46, bro. This thing's pretty sick. I didn't even see it, bro. We're parked right next to it. But a Vencedor that's bagged, wide body, which is insane, bro. Oh, it's so sick. Maybe one day we'll have one of these guys. Oh, I'm missing it, bro. God damn. I'm missing it, bro. R34 is revving it. Man, that shit sounded sick.
Oh, shit, Nick. What's up, baby?
What's up, bro?
Hey, how you doing? Bro, you see
It sounds like my car
I
color,
was
bro.
gonna say, bro, I was literally gonna say. I was like, damn.
Bro, you're the first person I seen with the merch, the new one.
Can I get a pic?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right,
Thank
cool.
you, bro. Guys, look, another homie with the merch on. And he wanted a sticker. We're almost out. I gave almost all the stickers out. This might be my last sticker, bro. You gave me the Hot Wheel before, huh? I remember. Another Hellcat, pink Hellcat. Look at this, guys, all the Fast and the Furious cars. I think this one was in the movie too, right? We got the Supra, Paul Walker's Supra. Straight from the movie, bro. It's crazy. Damn, it's actually really clean inside too. Look at that. Super clean Supra. Imagine we detailed this. Vin Diesel's RX-7. It looks like it on. He even had tan interior in the movie, I think. They bought the 240 on a trailer. That's a drift car for sure, bro. I'll just take it. I'll just take it. Alright guys, we on stage. Everything is, look at how many people are here, bro. Did you hit somebody? That shit's hard to throw, bro. Look how many people are here, bro. There's a lot of people. This is crazy.
Hey, you are
Corey Funk in the house. Oh my God, that's insane.
Corey, come on.
God damn, that shit sounds sick. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? There's no way. No way, bro. Look at this thing, guys. This thing is super clean, bro. Damn, look at how low it is. Fun fact, I actually drove this car up the street once. It was at the shop and I got in it and I drove it up the block. That shit. Oh, it's so hard, bro. And it's red too. And that wide body kit's actually expensive. I'll daily drive that, I swear. This thing's pretty sick too. I'm not a big fan of C8s, but this one is hard, bro. Wide body, BBS's, sick. Man, that shit's hard. Sounds really good, bro. Molded wide body kit. It's probably super expensive to do that. Oh, GTR. good, bro. It's not gapping me. Look at that, bro. God damn. Another Huracan. That shit has green neon too. Pretty cool. Guys, look at this G80. This shit is beautiful, bro. That color. Oh, and he got the carbon seats. Yeah, that shit is actually really sick, bro. They actually got BBSs too. Yeah, that is hard, bro. Carbon seats, roll cage, BBSs, all the carbon. Oh shit, David right there, bro.
Oh shit.
Who's driving your car, bro?
You know, my fucking chauffeur.
Your chauffeur?
Yeah.
There's that 2JZ Lambo. Bro, that music is ridiculously loud, but this shit is crazy. What kind of exhaust is that, bro? I want to see that shit on the car. This thing's super sick, guys. Stick shift, gated stick shift. And it sounds crazy, bro. Damn. Look at the license plate. This is the sickest license plate I've ever seen, bro. What the heck? Look at the plate. Here's an F80. I have not seen an F80 here, surprisingly. This is the first one I've seen. And it's orange, bro. Kevin's favorite color on. I don't know about the orange on the red though, but it's still sick. I love red interior. Come on, David, you gotta bring yours back, bro. You should have been parked right here. Can we take his wheels?
Yeah.
This Z is pretty clean. Same front bumper as mine. Hopefully mine looks clean like this within a week or two. There's that G80 again. Now we can take a closer look. Damn, bro, this really has the carbon seats. These are the seats that I want, guys. Look, the whole back is carbon fiber. Man, that's just crazy with the roll cage. Here's that Z that I was looking at. Damn, bro. Look at this, guys. Now it's a bunch of drift cars. Little 240. Huh?
No more real life.
Now this one's sick. 240. Oh shit. Oh, you hit the wall, bro. Oh my god, this is crazy. Alright guys, now is the fun part finally. All these cars are about to have a two-step battle. We got a Aventador, we got a crazy ass GTR. The homie shoots crazy flames. Don't blow your engine, bro. They wanted me to come in the two-step battle, but like I said, my GTR doesn't spit that much crazy flames at a standstill. On the freeway, I could shoot some crazy flames, but this guy hit the wall so hard, bro. Poor bumper. Nitrous bottle in there. Man, this shit is fully raced out. Drift card out. It's insane, dude. Liberty Walk Aventador. That is not cheap, bro. Look at the wing. It's like a spaceship. These things spit crazy flames too. The Mustangs, GTR. What's up, bro? Clean, clean, clean. Bro, what the F, bro? Look at this exhaust, bro. There's literally no way. That is insane. There's literally no way, bro. That is the most obnoxious thing I've ever seen in my life. That is insane. Mustang, Genesis, GTR, Aventador, GTR, Z, Aventador, Mustang, GTR, 2JZ Lambo with the crazy exhaust, Mustang, R33, R34, R32. This is gonna be crazy, bro. Who's gonna win? insane. Green flames, bro. Bro, that is so loud with everyone doing it at once. Take your Fady out there. Oh my God, bro. God damn, bro. That shit is so sick. God damn! It literally sounds like gunshots, bro. What is that? Oh shit, that shit's hard. It's mine? For real? Oh my God, bro. It's a sick ass t-shirt. That is crazy, bro. Oh my God, bro. Now it's warmed up, bro. See, it's trying, bro. God damn, bro. Those flames are crazy. Alright, these are the only people left now. Oh my God, bro. Look at that shit. Bro, this is so sick, bro. R34 is out too? No way. That was my favorite, bro. That was for sure my favorite. There's only two, bro. That's it.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
You're the reason that's why I want to eat 90 so bad.
Do it, bro. You'll love it. Really? Yeah. I think I remember, bro. Bro, the homie wants me to sign his car. What are you doing to it? Why is everyone signing it?
So pretty much all of this is gonna be carbon fiber.
Ah, so you're gonna switch it anyways.
Yeah.
I always thought about doing this on like one of my raps, but I don't want it to leak through the rap.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Your ad, your signature, whatever.
All right. I'm really signing a car right now, bro. That's crazy. Damn, look at that, guys. That's sick, bro. This is crazy. I can't believe you actually did that. Yeah. Look at all the people who signed this car, guys.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.